Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax yourself. First, gather all your essential documents, including W-2s from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions and credits, like student loan interest or charitable contributions. Next, select a reputable tax software or online service that fits your needs, as these tools guide you through the process step by step, ensuring accuracy and helping you maximize your refund. Once you have your chosen software ready, begin by accurately entering all your income details from your W-2s and Form 1099. Be thorough to avoid errors. Next, carefully review and input all eligible deductions, such as contributions to an IRA or medical expenses, which can significantly lower your taxable income. Finally, look for applicable tax credits, like the child tax credit or education credits, as these directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, potentially increasing your refund. After entering all your information, it's crucial to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Double-check every entry for accuracy, ensuring all numbers match your source documents. Look for any missed deductions or credits that you might have overlooked. Most tax software offers a final review feature to catch common errors. Once confident, choose to e-file your return for faster processing and to receive immediate confirmation that your taxes have been successfully submitted to the IRS. Once your taxes are filed, your work isn't quite done. Make sure to save both digital and physical copies of your complete tax return for your records. It's also vital to keep all supporting documents, like W-2s and receipts, for at least 3 years in case of an audit. If you're expecting a refund, monitor its status through the IRS Where's My Refund tool. This ensures you're prepared for any future inquiries and have easy access to your financial history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.